and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Kate Boyd. I'm a pianist and I'm a professor of piano. And today I'm going to take you through a real-time pre-practice stretching routine. It's easy to lose sight of the fact that when you play the piano, you're actually engaging in a physical activity that requires conditioning in a similar way that being an athlete or playing a sport would, because we tend to focus on music as an expressive experience and a way to make sounds and express ourselves through the sounds. And we can kind of lose track almost of the fact that we're sitting in one position, and sometimes our neck can get tight, or we can just have kind of tight muscles before we even sit down. And that over time can lead to feelings of discomfort or pain in your shoulders, neck, and back especially. So let's warm up together. I'm going to take you through a stretching routine that I share with my students and that I do myself before I practice. This is something that you can do every day before you sit down at the piano. Now, I want to tell you, I am not a physician. I'm not a physical therapist. I am not any kind of healthcare provider. These are stretches that you need to do with self-awareness and only go as far as you feel comfortable. Do not push yourself past any point of discomfort. If you feel strain or discomfort, then immediately stop that stretch. It is something for you to personalize and make your own as we go through this stretching routine. Let's start with some centering breaths that are going to bring us into the here and now and eliminate distractions and help us to be present for our practice session. We'll breathe in, and as you breathe in, feel your ribs expand. And now breathe out. And now we'll breathe in again on a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold it for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now breathe out on a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll take another breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out through your mouth on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Generally speaking, if your exhale is longer than your inhale, that will be calming to your nervous system, and you will feel more calm and centered. Now we'll do head rolls. Tilt your head to the left so that your left ear goes down toward your shoulder. Again, don't strain. And now gently roll your head forward so that your head then goes over to your other shoulder and you feel your ear there. Then at that point, lift up your head and go back over your ear to the left shoulder, and then forward over towards your right shoulder, and then up and over. We're going to do this 3 more times. Breathe in. As you go up and over, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One final time. Up and over, and exhale. Bring your head back up to the center. We're going to reverse directions. Head over to the right shoulder, and now come around to the front, breathing in. And now exhale as you go back over toward the right. Don't strain and let your shoulders be nice and loose. Okay, this is our second one. And now exhale. Breathe in. And then exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. And now the final one. Breathe in and exhale, and bring your head to the center. Now let's do chin tucks. We're going to do 3 of these, and all this involves is dropping your chin toward your chest. Again, don't strain. And as you're here, just feel the stretch in the back of your neck and down your upper spine. And now come up again. We're going to do that 2 more times. Exhale. Inhale. And one more. Feel the stretch. And now inhale as you come back up to center. Now reach up with your left hand all the way over your head and take your finger, put it into your right ear. And now just tilt your head to the left and you'll feel a stretch right in here. And again, don't let yourself pull too hard. It's a gentle stretch. Just a little bit goes a long way with the stretch. We'll breathe into the stretch now. One more breath. And come back to center. Now we'll reach with the other hand up and over to the ear. And now gently toward your right shoulder. Breathe. One more inhalation. Come to center. Now let's do some shoulder rolls. Our shoulders work hard for us when we play the piano. We want to keep them nice and limber and loose. The way we're going to do shoulder rolls is we're going to go forward, up, and then drop straight down. We're not going to roll backwards. So let's do that together. We're going to do 5 of these. Go forward with your shoulders, and then up as close to your ears as you can comfortably get, and now straight down. Okay, we're going to do that now. Inhale, and exhale as you drop. Feel your hands nice and loose. And again, forward, up, and drop. Feel your hands loose. Always shake your hands out. Make sure that you're not tightening them up. 3 more of these. Forward, up, and exhale. Starting to feel looser, right? Okay, let's do 2 more. Forward, up, and straight down. And 1 more. Forward, inhale, and then exhale. We're going to do another shoulder stretch that involves stretching our arm across our body. This is what it's going to look like. So let's take your left arm and stretch it over toward the other side of your body. Take your right hand and then just gently stretch. You'll feel a stretch in the back of your shoulder. You'll feel a little bit of a stretch right up in here as well. So we'll hold that and breathe into the stretch. And another breath. And now release. It might feel a little different than the shoulder we haven't stretched yet. Now take the other arm, cross it over your body, take your left hand and hold it at your elbow and feel that stretch. I feel it all right in here. Okay, breathe. And one more breath as you breathe in. Try to intensify the stretch a little bit. And release on the exhale. Oh, good. I feel so much better now already, don't you? We're going to continue stretching out the shoulders and neck and upper arms. Bend your left elbow and lift it up above your head like this. And now take your right arm and take your elbow like this, and we're gonna make it so you can see from the back. We're gonna take the elbow and just pull a little bit with that right hand so that we feel a stretch all right down in here. And again, please do not strain yourself. If you can't lift your arm above your head, totally fine. You can modify that stretch by doing it this way. So we're gonna go up here and now breathe into that stretch. And exhale. One more inhale. And as you exhale, come out of the stretch. And now we're going to do the other arm. Bend your right elbow, lift it up over your head, take your left arm. It might feel a little different on this side. One side might feel a little tighter than the other. Breathe in. Exhale. And that's okay. Your body is symmetrical, but you use the muscles differently. Breathe in. And as you exhale, come out of the stretch. All right. We're really getting those shoulders all nice and loose so that when you practice, you are feeling a little bit more flexible in your neck. Speaking of your neck, let's do a couple more chin tucks just for a few seconds. So take your chin down to your chest. Breathe in. And on the exhale, we'll do that 2 more times. One more time. Okay, we're almost done. We're almost ready to practice. Let's do a stretch for the wrists and hands. Now this is another stretch you should be very gentle with. Do not strain yourself on this stretch. What we'll do is we'll take our hands palms together and then make a fairly straight line from elbow to elbow. And then very gently, as you breathe in, move downward with your hands. You should feel a bit of a stretch right in here. Okay, breathe into that. And breathe out. Now, what we're going to do on the next inhalation is we're going to turn a little bit away from the body. So you feel that stretch in a slightly different part of the arm. Breathe into that stretch. Then on the exhale, bring your hands back up. We're going to do that one more time. Breathe in and lower. Breathe out, raise a little bit. Breathe in and lower. And turn. And now breathe out and raise and hands back to the side. Do you feel more loose? Do you feel limber? How's your neck feel? How do your arms feel? Do you feel your fingers and wrists all ready to get started and do some practicing? We're going to finish by thinking about the practice session that you're about to have and set an intention for that practice session. The intention can be something as specific as a goal, like I'm going to practice this piece and I'm going to learn this much of it, or I'm going to work on memorizing this piece and I'm going to memorize this much of it. Or it can be something more general, like I'm going to focus this session and I'm going to be totally present to my practicing. Or I'm going to feel joyful in my music making today. Setting an intention before you just sit down and start practicing will help you be more focused, and it'll help you feel more present as you practice. So take a moment and think about what you're about to do at the piano and set an intention. We're going to close our eyes. We're going to breathe into that intention. So here we go. Close your eyes and now breathe in through your nose. And now exhale through your mouth slowly, thinking of your intention. All right, so now we're ready to practice. Feel free to come back and watch this video whenever you want to warm up to practice. That could be very helpful, especially as you get used to the routine. If you want to learn more about physically sitting at the piano, I did make an entire video just about how far to sit from the piano, how high to sit, how to navigate the pedal height, and all those kinds of things. I'll link to it right up there. You can check that out if you want to learn more about that. I hope you have a great practice session today. I'll see you in my next video, and happy practicing.